While it's been over 16 hours since terrorists opened fire at the iconic eatery Krishna Dhaba, injuring the owner of the restaurant. Pakistan-backed group Muslim Jambaz Force claimed responsibility for the attack and issued a stern warning for all those who are seeking domicile certificate in Jammu and Kashmir. Leaders of the Gupkar alliance, particularly Omar Abdullah and Mehbooba Mufti, have slammed the attack, but the BJP is unimpressed. The Saffron Party has hit back, saying that dirty politics over religion played by so-called mainstream leaders of the valley have emboldened terrorists to gun for minorities.
कितने बजे के करीब?
ये कुछ 7:20 के करीब।
7:20 के करीब।
जी।
तो आप दुकान के भीतर ही थे?
मैं अंदर था, अपनी दुकान की गद्दी के ऊपर बैठा हुआ था। बाहर से जब ऑटो फायरिंग करता हुआ निकला तो मैंने वो देखा।
ऑटो में थे?
जी।
तो जिसको गोली लगी है वो?
तो वो गद्दी पे बैठा हुआ था। वो मेरे भाई का लड़का है।
नाम क्या है उनका?
आकाश मेहरा और रमेश चंद्र का बेटा है।
अच्छा, तो
मालिक का बेटा है? ये मालिक का बेटा?
जी जी जी।
अभी उसकी कंडीशन क्या थी?
अभी थोड़ी नॉर्मल ही
बाइक पे था या ऑटो में थे?
ये नहीं पता, भीड़ बहुत ही बाहर, इसका कोई पता नहीं कितने थे वो। भीड़ मोटरसाइकिल पे थे या ऑटो से मैंने देखी आवाज ऊपर फायरिंग करते हुए। बस
कितने फायरिंग हुए? एक या दो?
यहाँ पर कम से कम 5 फायर हुए हैं। 5 फायर हुए। 3 फायर उस पे हुए हैं, 2 फायर बाहर हुए।
Pradeep Datta is joining us live. Pradeep, it's significant that this heinous attack should take place at a time when envoys from across the world are in Kashmir, not only looking at the way in which grassroots democracy is taking root, but also appreciating it.
Yes, you're absolutely right. This attack seems to be a part of three-pronged strategy of Pakistan's inter-service intelligence. The idea behind this attack is, one, they're trying to generate fear psychosis among the outsiders. Though this man had not been an outsider, he had been putting up there for the last several years. He's from Jammu region. He's basically a resident of Jammu and Kashmir. So the question of him being outsider is not right. And the second thing is that what they were trying to do, they were trying to send a message loud and clear to these envoys that normalcy has not been restored, because India was trying to showcase that, one, that grassroots level democracy had been strengthened. Second, that normalcy is fast limping back to this region after abrogation of Article 370, because there are certain elements, including Pakistan and lobby, who had been trying to portray wrong, gloomy picture about Kashmir, that all is not well in Jammu and Kashmir. India wanted to send a message loud and clear that anybody can come out to this place. The Kashmir is open for the world to see how things have really changed. The winds of change have started blowing. So just to, in fact, change atmosphere, they tried to target this man who had been there living for the last several years. And if you talk to then the third thing is that this is the time when the tourists are planning to come out to this region. They are also trying to generate fear psychosis, because these people can never ever be well-wishers of Kashmiris, because they have seen that Kashmiris have moved on. Kashmiris have rejected Pakistani propaganda. They have rejected terror. And we have seen that all these political party leaders from Kashmir, they were saying that once Article 370 is abrogated, there will be no one to hold tricolor. But there have been several rallies where Kashmiris have come out holding tricolor, raising India slogan. Just 2 days back, we saw that Mehbooba Mufti, the people came out in Kupwara. They said that this politics of betrayal is no more going to work, because they stand with the idea of one India. They feel that whosoever is going to insult Tiranga will not be tolerated. So these terror-related elements, they are once again trying to make their presence felt. During the last few months, these terrorists are on run, because counter-terror operation had been able to eliminate more than 200 terrorists by carrying out that attack. They were once again trying to boost their sagging morale, and also trying to send a message to the world community that things are not that good, what actually India is trying to project. But the reality, everybody knows. In fact, all these diplomats, they have interacted with all stakeholders, including journalists, DDC members, civil society members. What they have got impression from after talking to them, that things have really changed. It is no more that Kashmir, it's a Naya Kashmir that they have visited. It is not the Kashmir of guns, grenades and screams. It's the Kashmir of lilies, where the lilies bloom, and it's the Kashmir of peace and progress.
Okay, stay with me. I want to play out a few of the political reactions that we got through the day.
एक प्रयास कि जो धारा 370 हटाने के बाद पूरे देश से लोग यहाँ पर आकर के रह सकते हैं, एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत का जो नारा दिया गया था, ये उसको नाकाम करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। पाकिस्तान द्वारा भी इस प्रकार की कोशिशें होती हैं, और मिलिटेंट्स भी यहाँ पर हालात ख़राब करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन इसको सहन नहीं किया जाएगा। हमारे सुरक्षा बल अपने आप में सक्षम हैं, और आगे से इस प्रकार की कोई बात ना हो, तो इसको भी सुनिश्चित करना होगा। तभी लोग जो इन्वेस्टर्स हैं वो बाहर से आकर के यहाँ पर काम करेंगे। यहाँ की जो बेरोजगारी है, यहाँ का जो टूरिज्म है, उसको भी बढ़ावा मिलेगा।
शर्म आनी चाहिए आतंकवादी संगठनों को और उन पॉलिटिकल नेताओं को भी इससे सबक लेना चाहिए जो अपनी बातों से धर्म के नाम पर राजनीति करते हैं। वो दिन दूर नहीं जब कश्मीर के अंदर आतंकवाद खत्म होगा, पर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के जो आका बैठे हैं उनको अपनी जबान बंद रखनी पड़ेगी।
The unfortunate attack on Mr. Akash Mehra, the son of the famous Krishna Dhaba owner in Kashmir, shows the frustration of these terrorists, these separatists, and these so-called political parties like NC and PDP, who leave no stone unturned then to really misguide the people of Kashmir.
हम उसकी निंदा करते हैं कड़ी से कड़ी अल्फाज में, और अल्लाह से दुआ गो हैं कि बच्चा ठीक हो जाए। और जो ये ऐसे अनासिर हैं उनको वार्न करते हैं कि अब इन ऐसे वारदात की जगह जम्मू कश्मीर में नहीं है।
All right, taking a very quick break, more on the other side.